Creating an advanced survey doesn't have to be complicated. Once you've got the basics covered, it's time to explore. Advanced features can improve your survey participants' experience and deliver better results. Win-win. In this video, we'll review a few advanced options that can make a difference in your next project. Learn more about each in our user guide. To build a completely original survey, start from scratch. Here, we'll build a training feedback survey. The most important question, how was the training, should definitely be a rating question. Whether it's a rating scale, symbol rating scale, rating grid, or rating radio button or drop-down, rating questions make a big difference in reporting. When you add a rating scale, you'll see weights associated with these answers. In reporting, you'll be able to analyze both frequency and average weighted scores. Customize and move on. Remember to set this question as mandatory too. Next, a grid question is a great choice if you want to take a closer look at multiple related questions. Here, a rating radio grid is a great choice to focus on a single question. How satisfied were you with each of these aspects? Add answer options, or choose from a suggested answer set, and list your sub-questions. Save, then review. A side note, if you'd like to combine multiple questions in a single grid, use the matrix grid question type. Now, let's make this project even smarter. Using the same survey to ask for feedback about different training sessions? Pre-population can help. If you're sending an invitation to each participant, you already know which session they attended, right? In distribution, you'll create a contact list that includes this information. In design, drop in a training type question. Set up this question for pre-population, and the answer will be filled in when your invitations go out. You may choose to hide this question or keep it as editable while you're testing. If you like, hidden questions can go on a separate page to keep things organized. This also allows you to use piping, which can make your survey feel more conversational. Instead of just asking about the training, use piping to identify the specific training. When you name the training they actually attended, participants feel like this is a customized questionnaire and not a generic outreach. This kind of customization makes them more likely to continue. Logic is another great way to keep participants moving forward. Question display logic makes it easy to ask a quick follow-up question along the way. Simply add the relevant follow-up question, then choose the logic. Once you've set up this rule, only those who had a negative experience will see the question asking about improvements. If you'd like to ask a specific group of participants more questions, use branching. For example, you might want to learn more from self-study participants who had a negative experience. In this case, use multi-question branching. Here, people who did self-study and gave a low rating should see an extra set of questions on page 3. Everyone else should finish the survey, end and exit. Add a header, add a logo, and let's test it out. Preview, then polish, and remember to double-check hidden questions before you launch. Anything else? Before you publish, dive into our user guide to learn more about rules and alerts, instant thanks, and other automated options to keep things moving.